Welcome to the channel. This is multifunction shredder. We ordered this from amazon.co.uk. What we want to do is to put this to test and check it out and see what is inside, and also to see if it's working or not. We're going to put up the link how you can get this. We ordered this from amazon.co.uk here. What it looks like. So this is pillar. And also you have user's manual. Take precaution to use this up. So these are blades. So guys, first of all, to set this up, you need to remove the basket. You need to remove this. Then put this down. Then open up this section. The next thing you need to do is, first of all, you need to put this part on top. You need to slide it in. These two hooks here need to go underneath. So once it's in, so you need to just slide it to the side and find there's a hole, two holes. Then push it back. You will hear a click sound. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to put the chopper. So put it this way. And it's in. Then you close it. So this is how to set this up. If you want to remove this part as well, or if you want to slice different fruits, you remove this part and remove this end, then close it, then look for the smaller size of the slice and put it on top, so that you can use anything you want to. You can cut stuff. You also need to be mindful of your hand, okay? So depending on the size, just need to push it this end. You can see, I would just encourage you to be mindful of your finger. So once you finish with this end, you just remove it. So you can change this, put your hand on the top to remove it, and alternate. You can see this one as well, it goes on the top. Then you push it down. Once you push it down, then you slice the stuff backwards as well. Small part. They go on top. Now I want us to put this big slice, push it down, then take this end on top. Just you need to find the hole, and once it's in, push it down. To slice the apple or any other carrot, anything, just need to put it on top. Then push this down. You see? Okay guys, so this is how to use this. It's manual. Just need to use your hand to press it down straight away. Carrot, onion, etc. Thank you very much indeed.